What the hell is that?
Everyone's got a gimmick now.
You have a metal arm? That is awesome, dude! You have the right to remain silent! Oh, God. Hey, buddy, I think you lost this! Those rings carbon fiber?
This stuff coming out of you?
That would explain the rigidity-flexibility ratio, which, gotta say, that's awesome.
I don't know if you've been in a fight before, but there's usually not this much talking.
All right, sorry, my bad. Guys, look, I'd love to keep this up, but I've only got one job here today, and I've got to impress Mr. Stark, so I'm really sorry. What?
You couldn't have done that earlier?
I hate you.